Hey guys, so real quick, I'm going to show you guys how to check your ketones. Now there are two ways to do this. There's the easier way, and then there's a more expensive, more complicated kind of way. But the more complicated kind of way is going to give you the more accurate results. Because how to check your ketones, that's a question that I get all the time. Like, how do you know you're in ketosis? How do I know when I'm, but really the only way you can know in the beginning is if you check your ketones. Now, if you're a veteran keto, like with me, I could just feel when I'm in ketosis. Like, I could just tell when my body is in ketosis. I just feel different. But for some people, you just don't know. So, okay, so the easy way you're going to check your ketones is just get these keto strips here, okay? So you can get these off of Amazon, and what these are is you just pretty much, you're going to urinate on the strip, and it's going to change color. So the darker the color, the more ketones in your blood. So these, they look like this, and you're going to pee on like this part here, and it's going to change colors. And the way you check it is you just kind of put it, when you pee on it, change color, you just put it to the side and see what color is your urine, is your strip, and that'll tell you, how many ketones. Now, the only reason why I say that it's not accurate is because, like, once you really get into ketosis, like once you've been in ketosis for a long time, these strips no longer are effective because you no longer have a lot of ketones in your urine. Your body is actually using the ketones, so they're not in your urine. So you could be in a deep ketosis, and these wouldn't even work because your body is actually utilizing the ketones instead of putting the ketones in your urine, which is waste. So the more accurate way you're going to use your ketone, you're going to check your ketones, is with the keto meter. Now I have the Keto Mojo, okay? I have the Keto Mojo, and you get this off of Amazon as well. Very affordable. So I'm going to actually show you guys how I check my ketones right here live on YouTube. Okay, I don't even know if I'm really in ketosis because I kind of went off keto a while, maybe last week. I had to have a fasted blood glucose test that day for my doctor visit to see if they wanted to verify whether I was insulin resistant. Newsflash, yes, I am insulin resistant, but I had to prove to my new doctor that yes, I'm insulin resistant. So I had to do a glucose fasted test, which means I had to drink this glucose sugar water and then come back 2 hours later. And since I had to drink the sugar water, I just went ahead and had a cheat meal and everything like that, and been enjoying myself the last couple of days. So I'm trying to get back on and get into ketosis right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and check it. So now when you buy this keto meter, you're going to get these keto strips, and they come in this little bottle here. You can actually check your glucose too. So it has the this is the keto strips, and these are the glucose strips, and it's going to come with this thing here to prick your finger. Okay, so I already have my thing set up. What you gotta do, you gotta put this, these are the needles that go in here, and you're just gonna you just take it off. You're gonna put the needle in there, and you're gonna put it back on. Okay, now this is what I messed this up the first time. So you want to put the strip in the meter before you put the blood on the meter. If you put the blood on the meter first, then put it in the meter, the meter is not going to read it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your is this the right one? Hold up. Yeah, this is the right one. All right, so you're gonna take your strip here, and you're gonna stick it into the meter. Okay, and when you stick it in the meter, it's gonna come on automatically, and it's gonna pretty much go to it's gonna check it to see if it's the right one. So this is the right one. Now you're going to take your prickly thing here, and you're going to pull this back, and that kind of activates the needle. So you're going to put it back. It does hurt a little bit, but I'm used to it. So you're going to take your finger, you're going to prick your finger. Ow. I don't care what nobody say, that thing hurt. So now I have blood, coming up on my finger. So what you're going to do, let me get some more blood. This is kind of nasty, y'all. So you're going to take this, have blood on my finger, and you must make sure you get enough blood, because it's not going to read if you don't get enough. You're going to take it, and it's going to kind of just suck up the blood from your finger, and then in a couple seconds it's going to tell you whether I'm in ketosis. So it's counting down. Let's see, I might not even be in ketosis, y'all. 0.9. So I guess I am in ketosis. All right, guys. So I am 0.9. So if you use this, Anything above anything of 0.5 and above is considered ketosis, but the optimal level of ketosis is 1.5. But anything above 0.5, you're in nutritional ketosis, okay? But the goal is if you're in ketosis to lose weight, I suggest you want to be anywhere between 1.5 to maybe 2.0. 1.0 to 2.0. I think 1.5 is like that sweet spot though. It's the sweet spot. Got blood on my finger. All right. So guys, that is how you check your ketones. Now, like I said in the beginning, if you just want an affordable option, get these. I think these are like $10. The keto meter, I want to say it was like $30-40, I believe. But the strips, no, it was actually more than that, because when I actually ran out of ketone strips last week, and I had to buy some more, and this little thing here was like $50. Like, I'm not lying, it's $50. So, but this is a lot more accurate, as you can see. And you know, you don't have to check your ketones every day. Like when you have this meter here, I only check my ketones maybe like twice a week, if that. You know what I'm saying? Because you know when you're in ketosis. You know what I'm saying? Like if I have a cheat meal, I'll check it to see, you know, if how far off I am. But yeah, guys, that is how you check your ketones. So if you have any questions about anything, you guys let me know. I have the link for all this stuff in the description if you guys want to go ahead and try it out for yourself. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.